But he's so tired. He had a big day today. Went to breakfast with Daddy. He went and played at the rec center and the pool. Went over to his friend's house for dinner and played. Now he's falling asleep. It's 9 o'clock, so he should be tired. Say night-night, Bo. Say night-night. Wave night-night. Night-night. There he goes. Off to bed. Did you say goodnight to Pablo? Where's Pablo? You have to say goodnight to Pablo. Where is Pablo? Do we know where Pablo is? Let's find him. I think he's over here. You say your nights to him? He's over here. There's Pablo. Hi, Pablo. He's sleeping. He had a busy day today. Keeping an eye on everything. Bodhi, say night to Pablo? Can you give Pablo kisses? Can you give Pablo kisses?